एक मज़ेदार काम लगता है। That sounds like a fun activity. That sounds like a fun activity. मैं सप्ताहांत के लिए इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait for the weekend. I can't wait for the weekend. बकवास करना तो कोई तुमसे सीखे। One should learn talking nonsense from you. One should learn talking nonsense from you. मस्का लगाना तो कोई तुमसे सीखे। One should learn buttering up from you. One should learn buttering up from you. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं है। Be grateful that nothing happened to us. Be grateful that nothing happened to us. वो अभी भी बुरे दौर से गुजर रहा है। He is still going through a bad phase. He is still going through a bad phase. इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी क्या है? What matters the most to learn English? What matters the most to learn English? उसे चापलूसी नहीं करनी चाहिए। He should not flatter. He should not flatter. तुम ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो। You are speaking more than enough. You are speaking more than enough. क्या आप मेरी चाबियां ढूंढने में मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me find my keys? Can you help me find my keys? मैं काम पर जाने के लिए टैक्सी लेना पसंद करता हूँ। I prefer to take the taxi to work. I prefer to take the taxi to work. यह एक बहुत अच्छा विचार है, चलिए इसे करते हैं। That's a great idea. Let's do it. That's a great idea. Let's do it. मैं वास्तव में थक गया हूँ। मुझे लगता है कि मैं आज रात जल्दी सो जाऊँगा। I am really tired. I think I will go to bed early tonight. I am really tired. I think I will go to bed early tonight. आप इस शहर में कितने समय से रह रहे हैं? How long have you lived in this city? How long have you lived in this city? मैं आपको कुछ मिनटों में वापस कॉल करूँगा। I will call you back in a few minutes. I will call you back in a few minutes. क्या आपके पास छुट्टियों के लिए कोई योजना है? Do you have any plans for the holidays? Do you have any plans for the holidays? क्या आपके पास मेरे लिए कोई सवाल है? Do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions for me? मुझे माफ़ करें, मैं आपको बीच में रोकना नहीं चाहता था। I am sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. I am sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. कल के लेक्चर के बारे में आपने क्या सोचा? What did you think of yesterday's lecture? What did you think of yesterday's lecture? क्या आप गणित की इस समस्या में मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me with this math problem? Can you help me with this math problem? क्या आप कृपया संगीत की आवाज़ कम कर सकते हैं? Can you please turn down the volume of the music? Can you please turn down the volume of the music? क्या मुझे अगली बस का टिकट मिल सकता है? Can I get a ticket for the next bus? Can I get a ticket for the next bus? क्या मुझे कुछ अतिरिक्त टिश्यू पेपर मिल सकते हैं? Could I have some extra tissue paper? Could I have some extra tissue paper? खाना आने में कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take for the food to arrive? How long will it take for the food to arrive? मुझे यह गाड़ी किसी भी हालत में पकड़नी होगी. I must pick this train in any condition. I must pick this train in any condition. कपड़े वॉशिंग मशीन में डालो. Put the clothes in the washing machine. Put the clothes in the washing machine. तुम मेरे कंधे पर अपना सिर रख सकती हो. You can lean your head on my shoulder. You can lean your head on my shoulder. मैं तुम्हें उनके साथ नहीं जाने दूंगा. I will not allow you to go with them. I will not allow you to go with them. क्लास में इतना शोर क्यों मचा रहे हो? Why are you making such noise in the class? Why are you making such noise in the class? ट्रेन में चैन चोरों से सावधान रहे. Be careful with chain snatchers on the train. Be careful with chain snatchers on the train. बोतल में पानी भरकर फ्रिज में रख दे. Fill the bottle with water and place it in the fridge. Fill the bottle with water and place it in the fridge. क्या आप सवारी के लिए तैयार हैं? Are you ready for the ride? Are you ready for the ride? अजनबियों से सावधान रहें. Be careful with strangers. Be careful with strangers. मैं होटल में अपनी चाबी भूल गया. I forgot my keys in the hotel. I forgot my keys in the hotel. उसका पसंदीदा खेल क्रिकेट है. His favorite sport is cricket. His favorite sport is cricket. अपने कपड़े को ठीक से रखो. Put your clothes properly. Put your clothes properly. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए. May I have your attention please? कृपया ध्यान दीजिए. May I have your attention please? अपने सपनों को कभी नहीं छोड़े. Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on your dreams. क्या आप हमारे साथ अजीब महसूस कर रहे हैं? Are you feeling awkward with us? Are you feeling awkward with us? क्या आप इस कुर्सी पर आराम महसूस कर रहे हैं? Are you feeling comfortable in this chair? Are you feeling comfortable in this chair? आशा है कि आप सभी ने शो का आनंद लिया. Hope you all enjoyed the show. Hope you all enjoyed the show. कृपया जितनी जल्दी हो सके चले जाओ. Please leave as soon as possible. Please leave as soon as possible. मैं अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन करने की कोशिश करूँगा. I will try to give my best performance. I will try to give my best performance. सीढ़ियों से धीरे धीरे चले. Walk slowly from the stairs. Walk slowly from the stairs. तुम कल क्यों नहीं आए? Why were you absent yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday? जल्दी करो, हमें यह जगह तुरंत छोड़नी होगी. Hurry up, we have to leave this place right now. Hurry up, we have to leave this place right now. कृपया अपना बैग ठीक से पैक करें. Please pack your bags properly. Please pack your bags properly. मुझे किताब पढ़ने में 2 दिन लगे. It took me 2 days to read the book. It took me 2 days to read the book. मेरे पास कोई दूसरा विकल्प नहीं है. I have no other alternative. I have no other alternative. मुझे आदेश देने का आपको कोई अधिकार नहीं है। You have no right to order me. You have no right to order me. मुझसे इस तरह से बात मत करो। Don't talk to me like this. Don't talk to me like this. ये घर हमें 10 लाख में पड़ा। This house cost us 10 lakh rupees. This house cost us 10 lakh rupees. तुम्हारे मुंह से प्याज की गंध आ रही है। Your mouth is smelling of onion. Your mouth is smelling of onion. केक तैयार होने में 15 मिनट लगेंगे। The cake will take 15 minutes to prepare. The cake will take 15 minutes to prepare. पानी भरकर बह रहा है, नल बंद करो। The water is running over, turn off the tap. The water is running over, turn off the tap. अब बात को ज़्यादा बढ़ाओ मत। Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. और उसके लिए आपको सबूत की ज़रूरत होगी। And you need evidence for that. And you need evidence for that. आपको उनका सपना पूरा करना है। You have to fulfill her dream. You have to fulfill her dream. यह कोई कुछ भी बताने को तैयार नहीं है। No one is ready to tell us anything. No one is ready to tell us anything here. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता। I don't want to trouble you. I don't want to trouble you. अब मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? Now what can I do for you? Now what can I do for you? इससे ज़्यादा मैं और कुछ नहीं कह सकता। I can't say more than this. I can't say more than this. मैं इसे आप ही के बारे में बता रही थी। I was telling him about you. I was telling him about you. बाकी मैं संभाल लूँगा। I will handle the rest. बाकी मैं संभाल लूँगा। I will handle the rest. मुझे यहाँ से बाहर निकालो। Get me out of here. Get me out of here. मुझे तुम्हारी हरकतें पसंद नहीं है। I don't like your doings. I don't like your doings. मुझे थोड़ा वक्त चाहिए। I need some time. मुझे थोड़ा वक्त चाहिए। I need some time. मैं उससे तंग आ चुका हूँ। I am fed up with him. I am fed up with him. क्या तुम मेरा एक काम करोगे? Will you do me a favor? क्या तुम मेरा एक काम करोगे? Will you do me a favor? तुम मुझ पर चिल्ला क्यों रहे? Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? मेरी नज़रों से दूर हो जाओ। Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों से मदद मांगी। I asked many people for help. I asked many people for help. तुम इस कैमरे से फ़ोटो कैसे लेते हो? How do you take photos with this camera? How do you take photos with this camera? किताब हाथों हाथ बिक गया। The book sold out instantly. The book sold out instantly. लेकिन मेरी मदद के लिए किसी ने हाथ नहीं बढ़ाया। But no one extended a hand to help me. But no one extended a hand to help me. मेरी दुकान प्रतिदिन खुलती है। My shop is open every day. My shop is open every day. वह अपने व्यवहार से शर्मिंदा है। He is ashamed of his behavior. He is ashamed of his behavior. मेरे पास एक भी पैसा नहीं है. I don't have a single rupee. I don't have a single rupee. वहाँ की मिट्टी उपजाऊ है. The soil of that place is fertile. The soil of that place is fertile. जल्दी करो वरना गाड़ी छूट जाएगी. Hurry up, otherwise you will miss the train. Hurry up, otherwise you will miss the train. तुम्हारा नाम लिस्ट में नहीं है. Your name is not on the list. Your name is not on the list. परीक्षा सोमवार से शुरू होगी. The examinations will start on Monday. The examinations will start on Monday. उसके दिमाग में कुछ खराबी है. There is something wrong with his brain. There is something wrong with his brain. इस रकम को मेरे नाम से जमा कर दे. Please credit this amount to my account. Please credit this amount to my account. इसका मतलब तुम मुझसे सब कुछ छुपाओगे. It means you will hide everything from me. It means you will hide everything from me. मौत कभी भी आ सकती है. Death can come any time. Death can come any time. मुझे आसमान में उड़ना पसंद है. I like to fly in the sky. I like to fly in the sky. मुझे आश्चर्य है कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है. I wonder where my destination is. I wonder where my destination is. वो पैसों को लेकर बहुत कंजूस है. He is mean with money. He is mean with money. क्या आप इसे ढूंढने में मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me find it? Can you help me find it? खाते वक्त अपना मुंह बंद करो. Close your mouth while eating. Close your mouth while eating. तुम परेशान मत हो, मैं खुद कर लूँगी. Don't worry, I will do it by myself. Don't worry, I will do it by myself. मैं कार खरीदने की सोच रहा हूँ. I am thinking of buying a new car. I am thinking of buying a new car. सोने जाने से पहले लाइट बुझा देना. Turn off the light before you go to bed. Turn off the light before you go to bed. अब यह चॉकलेट कौन खाएगा? Now who will eat this chocolate? Now who will eat this chocolate? आप लोगों को कुछ आवाज आ रही है क्या? Are you getting any sound? Are you getting any sound? मैं ये नहीं पहन पाऊंगा. I won't be able to wear this. I won't be able to wear this. मुझे चॉकलेट बहुत पसंद है. मैं एक भी नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I love chocolate. I will not leave even one. लगता है यह मेंढक की आवाज है. It seems to be the sound of frog. It seems to be the sound of frog. मैं चाह कर भी इसे नहीं बदल सकता. I can't change it even if I want to. I can't change it even if I want to. वहाँ तुम्हें किसी तरह की परेशानी नहीं होगी. There you will not have any kind of problem. There you will not have any kind of problem. मुझे कुछ चटपटा खाने का मन है. I feel like eating something spicy. I feel like eating something spicy. ऐसे स्वार्थी लोग मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं हैं. I do not like such selfish people at all. I do not like such selfish people. अब मैं ऐसी गलती दोबारा नहीं करूँगा. Now I will not make such mistake again. Now I will not make such mistake again. हमें कई सावधानियां बरतने की आवश्यकता है. We need to take many precautions. We need to take many precautions. तुमने सब कुछ बर्बाद कर दिया. You ruined everything. You ruined everything. तुम बस मुझे हाँ या ना में जवाब दो. You just answer me yes or no. You just answer me yes or no. सच छुपा कर भी नहीं छुपाया जा सकता. The truth can't be hidden even by hiding. The truth can't be hidden even by hiding. बोर्ड में लिखा हुआ है कृपया शांति बनाए रखें. It is written on the board, please maintain peace. It is written on the board, please maintain peace. आज मुझे पानी से ही अपना पेट भरना होगा. Today I have to fill my stomach with water only. Today I have to fill my stomach with water only. मैंने भी सभी को अपना दोस्त बना लिया. I also made everyone my friend. वह अपने सारे फैसले खुद ही करता है. He makes all his own decision. He makes all his own decision. मैं उसका सामना नहीं कर सकती. I can't face her. I can't face her. अब तुम बच्चे नहीं रहे. Now you are not a child anymore. अब तुम बच्चे नहीं रहे. Now you are not a child anymore. मेरा रूम खचपच हो रखा है. My room is messed up. My room is messed up. मुझे इसे ठीक ठाक करने दो. Let me arrange it. मुझे इसे ठीक ठाक करने दो. Let me arrange it. वह घर का काम काज कर रही थी. She was doing household chores. She was doing household chores. मेरे चेहरे में बहुत खुजली हो रही थी. My face was itching a lot. My face was itching a lot. मैंने अभी अभी अपना चेहरा धोया है. I have just washed my face. I have just washed my face. उसके दिमाग में कुछ तो चल रहा है. Something is going on his mind. Something is going on his mind. जितनी जल्दी हो सके अपनी इस आदत को सुधार लो. Correct this habit of yours as soon as possible. मैं तुम पर कैसे यकीन कर सकती हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? यह बहुत ही बुरी आदत है. This is a very bad habit. This is a very bad habit. ऐसे लोग जीवन में कभी कामयाब नहीं होते. Such people never succeed in life. Such people never succeed in life. उसकी बातों को दिल से मत लगाना. Don't take his words to heart. Don't take his words to heart. वह सबसे ऐसे ही बात करती है. He talks like this to everyone. He talks like this to everyone. उसकी बातों का बुरा मत मानो. Don't mind his words. Don't mind his words. चलो अंदर चलकर देखते हैं क्या है. Let's go inside and see what's there. Let's go inside and see what's there. ये आम खट्टे मीठे और बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट हैं. This mango is sour, sweet and very tasty. This mango is sour, sweet and very tasty. ये सब तुम्हारे दिमाग का वहम है। दिस इज ऑल अ फिगमेंट ऑफ योर माइंड। दिस इज ऑल अ फिगमेंट ऑफ योर माइंड। कहते हैं कि इस घर में भूत है। इट इज सेड दैट देयर इज अ घोस्ट इन दिस हाउस। इट इज सेड दैट देयर इज अ घोस्ट इन दिस हाउस। यहाँ इतना अंधेरा क्यों है? Why is it so dark in here? Why is it so dark in here? चलो सब मिलकर खोजते हैं। Let's all find out together. Let's all find out together. क्या किसी ने आज का अखबार देखा है? Has anyone seen today's newspaper? Has anyone seen today's newspaper? तुम्हें मेरी बात सुननी होगी। You have to listen to me. You have to listen to me. हर कोई तुम्हारे इशारे पर नहीं चलेगा। Not everyone will follow your instruction. Not everyone will follow your instruction. सभी ने मुझे बहुत बधाइयाँ दी। Everyone congratulated me a lot. Everyone congratulated me a lot. वह किसी की बात नहीं सुनती है। She doesn't listen to anyone. She doesn't listen to anyone. मैं उससे नहीं लड़ना चाहती हूँ। I don't want to fight with him. I don't want to fight with him. उसे कुछ बोलो तो गुस्सा हो जाती है। If you say something to her, she gets angry. If you say something to her, she gets angry. वह घर का एक छोटा काम भी नहीं करना चाहती। She doesn't want to do even a little household work. She doesn't want to do even a little household work. तुम उसके साथ नहीं रहोगे। You won't be with him. You won't be with him.